Welcome back to our channel Aman Codes. In previous episode, we have discussed about float data type. In today's episode, we are discussing about bool data type. So here, bool is one of the predefined class and it is treated as fundamental data type. Already we know what are the fundamental data types, right? Fundamental data types stores single values and in fundamental data types we have four types: int, bool, float, complex. So we are going with bool now. So why we have to use bool? The purpose of bool data type is that to store true or false values, means logical values. In order to store the logical values, true or false. So we are using bool data type in order to store true or false logical values. So in Python programming, the true and false are the keywords and they treated as values for bool data type. So in Python programming, we have keywords, right? And already I have told about keywords, how many are there, how many of the soft keywords in our previous episodes. So now the true and false, they are treated as value for bool data type. Okay, next. So the value of bool data type is true and false. So internally the true is considered as 1 and false is considered as 0. So on boolean values we can perform various arithmetic operations, that is called boolean arithmetic. So now I'm opening the Python command prompt. I'm taking a variable called a and giving that as true. So okay, I'm trying to print that variable and type also. So true is a bool type. Bool is one of the class in Python programming language. So see, now we are trying to store false, and same I'm trying to print B also and type of B also, type of B. So see, false is a bool type. Bool is a class in Python. So if we are trying to consider small t true, so in the place of capital T, I'm trying to declaring small t. So will it take? We will see that. So it throws an error, name error. Name true is not defined. Means it's saying that it is treating true is also a variable. So the Python execution environment is treating this true as a variable. This is true as a value. So you have to use capital T only. Same in the case of false also. So let's see. Small f false. So same error, name error will come. So let's see arithmetic operations. So I'm clearing this screen. A is equals to true and B is equals to false. So I'm trying to print, so now I'm trying to print A plus B. So in the place of A, it takes true. In the place of B, it takes false. Python internally take true as 1 and false as 0. So 1 plus 0. So the answer is 1, right? So let's see the answer is 1 or not. 1 is like printed. So if we consider this, so in the place of A, it takes 1, true, minus. In the place of B, it takes 0 and plus. In the place of A, it takes 1. So these cancel, 1 plus 1, 2, right? So I think the answer is 2. Let's check. See, the answer is 2. So like this, we have to practice. Then if we do this thing, the interview questions is easy on bool data type. We can solve the interview questions on bool data type. So see here, print of b plus a minus b. See, if you consider this, in the place of b it takes 0 and in the place of b it takes 0 and plus in the place of a it takes 1 and in the place of a it takes 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 0 is 0, 0. So I think the answer is 0. Let's see what is the answer. See, the answer is 0, right? A slash B, A by B. So if we consider this type of question, in the place of A, it takes true, right? Here, in the place of A, we are defined as true. In the place of B, we are defined as false. So true is considered internally as 1, false is considered internally as 0. So 1 slash 0, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it is infinity, right? In mathematics, 1 by 0 is infinity. So not only 1 by 0, anything by 0 is also known as infinity. So right, so it throws an error called zero division error. So let's see what it throws. Zero division error. Division by zero. So it leads to infinity, right? So it tells that zero division error. So if we consider in the place of B, A. So in this case, if you take like this, in the case of A, it's 1 and 1. 1 by 1 is equals to 1, right? So let's see this is correct or not. So see 1.0. So 1.0 or 1 is the same, right? So it stores in the form of a float. So in Bool type, the answer will stores in the form of a float. 1.0 means 1, right? So, and if we consider B by B, if I consider B by B, so come here. In the place of B, it takes false. False means internally it has a 0. So slash means divided by, and another B. Another B means also false. False internally it has 0. So in mathematics, anything by 0 is known as infinity. So anything by 0 is known as infinity. So here also it throws an error called zero division error. So let's see it is right or wrong. So see here, it throws a zero division error, right? So these type of questions are important. In order to increase your logical building, logical thinking, you have to learn this type of examples. So in today's video, we have learned about bool data type. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.